Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of scribbling flowcharts on paper and wishing you could move them straight into your digital workspace? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a super fast way to create a flowchart in Notion, even if you have no idea where to start or don't want to fiddle with complex diagram tools. By the end, you'll know how to go from a rough concept to a polished, interactive Notion flowchart in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and make your workflow smarter. Here's the trick. Notion doesn't have a built-in flowchart tool like some apps do, but it does support Mermaid, a simple code-based diagramming language. But don't worry, you don't need to learn coding. Instead, you can use ChatGPT as your flowchart assistant. Imagine you're sitting at your desk with ideas sketched out on paper, but you want to show them inside Notion. Since we're working digitally today, I asked ChatGPT to come up with a sample flowchart using Mermaid code that we can drop right into Notion. The first step is to get your flowchart in Mermaid format. If you have a specific flowchart idea, just describe it to ChatGPT. For example, you could say, make a flowchart that shows the steps for publishing a YouTube video, or whatever your project needs. ChatGPT will reply with a block of Mermaid code. Think of it like a set of instructions for drawing your chart. If this part seems unfamiliar, don't stress. You don't have to understand the code. Just make sure ChatGPT gives you a response that starts with GraphTD or something similar. That's the signature of Mermaid. Now, let's head back to Notion. Open your workspace where you want the chart. Here's the neat part. Type Mermaid, and Notion will offer the option for Code Mermaid. Go ahead and select it. Notion makes these blocks easy to find, and the / command works almost anywhere. Once you've got the Mermaid code block open, paste the Mermaid code straight from ChatGPT. In a moment, Notion will transform that code into a clear, editable flowchart right inside your page. Take a second to review your chart. If anything doesn't look quite right, maybe a step is missing or you want to add custom colors or shapes, it's actually super simple to adjust. Just tweak the Mermaid code. If you're not sure how to change something, you can always ask ChatGPT for a code update. This means you can fine-tune your flowchart to match exactly what you want, whether it's a project workflow, a team process, or any idea you want to visualize. The key to making this really work for you is to be intentional with your prompt to ChatGPT. The more clearly you describe what you want, like specific steps, decision points, or outcomes, the more accurate and useful your flowchart will be in Notion. It's a bit like giving a recipe to a chef. The details you provide shape the finished dish. So, if you want your Notion chart to truly reflect your process, take a moment to think through your instructions before you get the Mermaid code. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've gone from scribbled notes or ideas to a professional-looking flowchart inside Notion, without any complicated apps or frustration. If you found this useful, go ahead and like the video, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips for customizing your flowcharts. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart Notion tutorials and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.